Hey everybody, it's Walt at Dirtfoot Racing. I got the parts I need to fix the brakes on the grain forklift. Basically it's just a wheel cylinder, but it's kind of involved to get to. You gotta take a lot apart to get in there to get to the wheel cylinder. So we're gonna start that process now and see how it goes, and I'll document the process. The chunk of axle with the brake drum back there and the planetary gears on the outside, has been removed. It wasn't super easy to do, but it wasn't that bad really in the big scheme of things. So now I got to get this brake drum off and get into where the wheel cylinder is, replace the wheel cylinder and put it all back together and bleed the brakes, and hopefully it's working like it should. So stay tuned for more. All right, well, I'm back, and it's more than the wheel cylinder that needs to be replacing. Inside this this wheel unit where the brakes are, everything is greasy and oily. So I'm gonna have to replace the seals in there, and I'm gonna replace all the seals inside this unit too. So, and get everything cleaned up so it's got halfway decent brakes, because now everything is greasy. And it doesn't even look like the wheel cylinder was leaking. So there was another leak of brake fluid too, but I'm gonna replace it while I'm here. And we'll replace all the gaskets on that and the seals, and get it all sealed up so she ain't contaminating the brake shoes. So stay tuned, there's more to come. I gotta order seals tomorrow, then we'll tear it apart, clean it up, and get it all reassembled.